Yo, the king is back again, moving music in a couple packages. I was going through some bullshit management.
What's up, guys? I'm about to show you what's in my gym bag. Well, it's not really a gym bag, it's my backpack. I'm gonna show you everything I take to the gym. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the little pockets first. So, got to have headphones. This is what I take to the gym. Bought them at Walmart for like $50. Pretty good. Best investment for $50. Lightweight. I have Dre Beats, but these are very lightweight and easy to take with me. So let's move on to the next pocket. I got my CLA. This is what I take. I'm cutting right now, so it says improves lean muscle tone. I don't know how true that is, but I take them. You know you gotta have your men's one a day. Gotta stay healthy, man. It's got vitamin C, D, E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, biotin, magnesium. Definitely a good investment for your body. Let's go on. Oh yeah, I forgot. For some reason I like to chew gum when I work out. You guys got that weird habit? I don't know. I guess it helps me stay focused. I don't know. Let's move on. So now my pre-workouts. I use Ghost. Not a big fan. Bought it, but gotta use it, right? This is blue raspberry. That's alright. I bought this 6-star nutrition pre-workout explosion. It was like $20 at Walmart. I was on a budget. It's icy rocket freeze. This is actually better than Ghost, in my opinion. And for $20, you can't beat that. Flavor is amazing. Flavor is definitely amazing. Definitely recommend picking this up if you're on a budget. Want to spend like $20 for a great workout. Then I got my lifting straps. These bad boys for back day, pull days. These are a must. I love them. I love them. They support your wrist. They help your hands, so you, just in case you got those bad calluses that hurt. These are amazing. Then picked up this full as fuck. This pump. It's amazing. I used it. Jesus. I felt swole the whole day. This thing, $30. I definitely recommend this. I really loved it. And that's basically a short video of what I got in my gym bag. Nothing much. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna start doing videos on everyday things. So just let me know. You guys have a good day.
Back again, moving music in a couple packages. I was going through some bullshit